Assalamualaikum. Bini in mag-edit sa Photoshop. So, picture mo then ibutang ang background. So, first open the Photoshop. Then file. Then click new. So, then okay. Okay. Time resolution masibi. So, yung mag-adjust ko resolution, click the image. Then image size. Then kung nabala ko ng image, example 1000. Okay, so magsali ka kita malagutod, then use the style summing, then click positive magpalagbo, then negative negative. Okay, yan. So biyahon lumag kita background. So click the file, open, then the background. So sample background, we need this one. Okay, that's the background. Pwede na siya drag. Kung drag, click this button, then from here dito taas drag mo siya pababa, then click the image and drag mo rin pakuha. Okay, so ito na picture. Then adjust the picture, then click enter. Pag click mo sa enter, craft mo para maganda yung design. Craft. Okay, craft, then enter. After that craft picture, ibutang unahan. So ibutang tayo picture mo. So find the pictures. I need pictures. Okay, sample pictures. Let's try this one. Okay, this though problem not JPEG. Okay, find another picture. This one. Okay, no pwede. Then try another picture. Find a picture. Let's see. Pictures. Here. And this one. So make it large para makita yung pics. This one, 2014. Okay, then I'll choose this one. Okay, that's great. Then go to this one, click that one. So biyahon igan time background ini. Same focus ta ikaw dya. Okay, then click plus drag, then drag, then drag. Pwede mo siya sini-adjust. Click this one, then that one. So wala ko na siya salad or that one. Okay, meaning si positive ang may mag-ig si igan niya positive, in negative ang may hindi niya igan. Okay, sabihan igan ta siya, igan tayo background. Sa pag-ig si background, click mo erase, then right click and make it large, then that one. Okay, yan. Okay, so after that, this is the eraser. Right click, then the magic eraser tool para siya transparent. Okay, transparent. So go back to brush, then right click the image, then the select para maigin mark, then pull it down, click that one, then drag it down. Okay, drag it down. So your picture is too large, so passive yun siya. So di man siya kakitaan, right? Man siya din kakitaan a layer, movement layer, pataas. So you're being in front. of the pictures. Okay, then click enter. Para di halata yung side niya, right click, then blending option, then drop shadow right to the top. Okay, or outer glow, then okay. So that's all, and save. Click the file, then save as, then write the name, then Photoshop or JPEG, then choose where do you want to save, then click OK. So that's all, and thank you very much.